Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Miss Nguyen. My nickname is Mama Nguyen. Today is Vietnamese New Year, so Happy New Year for everybody. And also today we have a Pho Ga, English is the chicken noodle soup. And so we have all ingredients here. Okay, so I show you how to clean the chicken. Okay, first we take the whole chicken, you put in the container, and you take this sauce around the chicken. Here, now you have to clean up. Make sure the chicken clean. See, I clean the chicken with the boiled water, and you drink one more water again. We need to grill this, char this, right? We need to char this, okay? I put 7 quarts water in the pot. Okay, so now we have to wait for the water is a boil, and we put the chicken and the chicken bone in. So I let you know step by step. We have to put a cover in. Oh, one thing, I forgot to put my apron. My daughter gave me for the Christmas present. So here, like it. So every time I cooking and I clean something, I have to wear this. I want to keep nice and clean. You cooking, you need this, you don't mind to do everything. You can do. Put it on. And you know. Now I show you. I have to clean the salad and the ginger. You eat chicken noodle soup. I want to show you everything. My experience. You have to put in here. You have to put inside here, ziplock here. 1. And all the shallot in here. So when you snap, they not slap outside. They keep inside the bag. You see? How nice and clean. Okay? Now. Here, the whole chicken is in here. Okay, it's the whole pot. We wait until the boil and we take the foam out. I put the ginger in. Because salad and ginger we cannot put the same time. If we put the same time, the salad will be smoothy. Okay? Chicken noodle soup is a very simple. It's very lean and healthy. So I want everybody healthy, happy and healthy. Okay, so don't forget to wash the beans brown and cilantro and scallions very well. Okay. Cut the root off. You have to wash the rice stick noodle very well. So now the foams come up, so we have to take the foam out and the fat also. Foam and fat. And take 20 minutes. 20 to 25 minutes for the chicken. But I let you know when I take them out, okay? Yeah. Chicken noodle soup is a very simple and very healthy and lean. Yeah. have to put 1 noodle soup spoon here. Sea salt. Okay, now it's ready for the chicken. The chicken takes 20 minutes to boil, so I have to take the chicken out and I put a shallot in, okay, and I season. If you don't be sure how many minutes, you just do like this. You pop, you don't see, and you see the clear water out. See, that's mean it's well cooked, okay? This is the salad. Okay, now not salt enough. I will put fish sauce and the sea salt again, and you smell. You have to figure out and you taste again because the every different pot. The pot never the same, but you figure out. Okay, so this I put more. This sugar rock. I only have sugar rock, ginger and salad. That's my chicken noodle soup. That's it. I don't do any spice or something else because the chicken is very lean and clear. Not salt enough. More sea salt, but a little bit. To make sure a little bit, okay? Because the pot is different water, okay? Different. So maybe 10 more minutes for the chicken bone. So we're ready to eat. You need the sharp knife. Don't keep in there. So that's all you need. Two and a half. So this is for today. It's a chicken noodle soup. It's Pho Ga. So thank you for all the friends, email, message, supporter. But I'm sorry I'm not reply for you. But I know. But I still have a lot of recipe for you. But give me some time. Thank you for watching. I wish you happy and healthy. Thank you. Bye bye.